Hi. So last time we listed product reviews on each product page. So today we're going to have a look at how to list the products on the front end. So we'll start by creating some front end related stuff like routes. So inside of our app.js, we're going to go to the route section here, and we'll just have to define a resource. So this resource inside of it will contain products and product reviews. Products and product. So we'll just say resource, and it's going to be called shop. So this will contain the part of our project which is on the front end. So we'll give it a path of /shop, and it's going to take a function which will contain any sub routes. In this case, route of product, plural, and its path will be products, and we'll have a single product as well. Which will be product, and it will have a path of products, and of course we'll have a dynamic segment which will have product ID. Okay, so now before we move any further, let's do something that we don't normally do. Instead of just going to the index here and first creating a template for the shop/product, let's just go to the Ember inspector here, refresh the page, and see all the routes that we have defined for us. So we'll go to Ember here. I'll just move that up a bit. If you don't know how to install this, go ahead and watch my other playlist, which is Mastering EmberJs. I just showed how to get the Ember inspector there. Alright, so we'll go to routes here, and as you can see, we have product, add, product, edit. These are the routes for the back end of our system. So this one here, this resource shop, has sub routes which we just defined, the product and products, and these three other routes are just defined by Ember. So don't worry about those for now. So what template name do we need to give to the products for the front end of our system? And if you have a look at here underneath this header template, it should be shop/product. So it's the resource and any routes inside the resource, and for a single product is shop/product. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that now. So in here, since in our index template we're already listing products, but we don't want users to be able to edit product and delete them, so we'll just copy the same template and we'll do some modifications to it. So let's just change the ID of that template, and if you remember, it should be called shop/products, and inside of it we'll just remove the part that says edit product, and we want to link to shop.product. Okay, so once again, let's remove this delete part as well, because we don't want users to be able to delete a product. And we'll also need to create a single product template as well, and we'll come here, paste this down here. Don't worry, we'll be refactoring this into partials and stuff like that in another video, but for now let's just make sure that it works. So we'll have shop/product. So one thing that we need to do is create a explicit route for the products, so that we can so that we can query the data store and tell it to return products for us. So also let's go ahead in our inspector and just see the name of the routes. So for the products, it needs to be called shop products route. Okay, so let's go and do that now. So in our app.js, we'll come right down here So the index route is very similar to this new route we'll be creating. Sorry, it's not here. Yeah, it should be up here. So we'll just say app.shop products route equals to ember.route.extend. So we want to just say the model for it will be a function. Just rectify this model. Okay, so that should be a function, and inside there we'll just say return this.store.find product. Okay, so let's also just go in our index here, and at the top of our application script here, let's create a section that just says Frontend for now. Don't worry about the styling for it now, it will look ugly. So we'll just say Frontend. We'll add a link to helper there that just links to the Frontend product listing. So we'll just say link to shop.products. Just say Frontend products, and we'll just close the link to helper. Okay, so just realize the difference. This one's linking to the backend products, this one's linking to the front-end products. Okay, so go back in our browser. I'll just close the inspector for now, refresh. If everything works fine, you should see front-end here and front-end products. When I click on it, as you can see we have the PlayStation 3 and Xbox 360, but we don't have the edit buttons and stuff like that here. So when I click on PlayStation 3, we should be taken to that other the front-end product page instead of the back-end. As you can see, same thing happens, but when you check the URL here, it's not /products, which will work as well. So if I change this here, as you can see we have the same result, but this one is different to this one in that this page that we're looking at is dedicated to products for the front end. Okay, so that's it guys for this video, and in the next video we'll have a look at how we can let the user be able to add rating to this product here on the front end. So thanks for watching. I will see you soon. Bye bye.